Okay, so Discord is adding new boost perks. I just got the news today. You can see what you can get in level 1, level 2, and level 3 boosts. It was already a thing, but maybe they decided to make it more detailed, I guess. They have also mentioned how many times you need to boost a server to reach each level. At that bottom right, you can see the names of the boosters who boosted your server. Different is, they have added 2 new perks. But I don't get this. It says 3 boosts, but when I click on it, they're asking me to pay. Well, now, why make me pay separately for this? Can't you just deduct it from my server boosts? I already have 16 boosts in my server. Anyway, go to your server settings. You will find Server Guild, which is server tag. I noticed many people use this feature, but my server with over 13,000 members doesn't have this feature even now. In animated roles, you can simply go to server roles, click any random role. When you click the color, it shows ordinary color, but now they have options like gradient and holographic. I can't show you right now because even though every server with level 3 boosts must have these features for free, we unfortunately don't, and we have to pay separately for this. I don't know what I feel about this, guys. Please let me know in the comment section. Do you guys also think if these features should be free for every server with level 3 boosts, or no, it shouldn't and that we have to pay separately? But anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button for more Discord-related updates.